Have you ever felt lost, unsure of how to use your time efficiently? Have you ever wondered how some people manage to achieve their goals while others remain stuck? In this video, I'll reveal practical strategies for setting clear goals, developing healthy habits, and optimizing your time management. The importance of time and attention. I've always noticed that how we use our time and focus can significantly impact our lives. When I started paying more attention to how I spent my hours and where I directed my energy, I noticed remarkable changes in my productivity and well-being. Each moment we invest in activities that bring us personal and professional growth is like planting a seed. At first, it may seem like considerable effort, but with time and proper care, these investments flourish and offer us results we reap for many years. Have you ever reflected on how you're using your time and which activities are truly leading you to significant growth? Just like planting a tree, where initial care and constant dedication result in years of fruit, dedicating ourselves to enriching activities can transform our life trajectory. For example, learning new skills, reading books that expand our minds, or participating in courses that enhance our abilities are ways to nurture our growth. The more we invest in our own development, the more we equip ourselves to face challenges and seize opportunities. Have you thought about which activities you can incorporate into your routine to ensure you're planting seeds that will bear fruit in the future? Setting clear goals. Having clear and specific goals for the coming years is essential to guide our actions and keep us on the right path. When I started setting precise goals for my life, I noticed how it transformed my motivation and focus. Without defined goals, it's easy to get lost in daily tasks that lead nowhere. By establishing clear goals, I can visualize exactly where I want to go and plan the steps needed to achieve those objectives. Well-defined goals direct our actions and keep us motivated, serving as a roadmap for our success. A technique I use and recommend is the SMART method, which helps create goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, "I want to be healthier," a SMART goal would be, "I want to lose 5 pounds in 3 months by exercising 3 times a week and following a balanced diet." This turns a vague idea into a concrete plan, making it easier to visualize progress and maintain high motivation. Efficient time management. Learning to manage my time efficiently was a game changer in my life. One technique that helped me the most was the Pomodoro technique, where I work intensely for 25 minutes and then take a 5-minute break. This keeps my focus sharp and prevents mental fatigue. Another powerful tool is the Eisenhower matrix, which helps me prioritize tasks based on their urgency and importance. By identifying what is truly essential, I can dedicate my energy to what matters most and avoid procrastination. Efficient time management not only increases my productivity but also gives me more free time for activities I love. Creating a daily or weekly schedule was crucial for this transformation. In my schedule, I reserve specific blocks for important tasks, breaks, and even leisure moments. This clear structure reduces stress and gives me a sense of control over my day. How do you manage your time currently? Continuous learning. Keeping myself updated in my field is crucial for my professional and personal success. Continuous learning allows me to keep up with new trends, acquire new skills, and remain relevant in the market. Each time I learn something new, I feel like I'm opening a door to new opportunities and growth. For example, I recently took an online course on artificial intelligence, which not only expanded my knowledge but also opened up new project possibilities and collaborations. In addition to online courses, reading books and attending workshops are practices I have adopted and highly recommend. Reading books about my field gives me a solid theoretical foundation and inspires new ideas. Workshops, on the other hand, provide hands-on experience and the opportunity to network with industry professionals. Have you attended any workshops recently? How about challenging yourself to read a book a month or enroll in an online course? Cultivating positive relationships. Maintaining and cultivating healthy and positive relationships is fundamental to my emotional well-being and professional success. Quality relationships bring joy and support and act as safety nets in times of difficulty. When I dedicate myself to nurturing my relationships, I feel like I'm building a solid foundation that supports me in various areas of life. For example, a positive professional relationship can open doors to new opportunities, while strong personal bonds provide the necessary support to face challenges. To strengthen these relationships, I adopt some extremely effective practices. One of them is gratitude. Whenever possible, I express my appreciation and recognition for the people around me, which strengthens our bonds. Another valuable technique is open communication, which involves actively listening and being transparent about my feelings and needs. These practices not only improve the quality of my relationships but also create an environment of mutual trust. Developing healthy habits. I realized that daily habits are fundamental to achieving long-term success. Small habits, when practiced consistently, have the power to transform our lives significantly. In my case, adopting daily reading opened up a world of knowledge and new perspectives for me. Setting aside just 20 minutes a day to read a book made a huge difference in my learning ability and how I approach challenges. Additionally, incorporating physical exercise into my daily routine improved my health, energy, and disposition. The benefits of these small habits are noticeable over the years, as the cumulative impact is enormous. Meditating daily, for example, helped reduce my anxiety and increase my focus and mental clarity. Consistently practicing these habits transformed not only my days but also my outlook on life. It's impressive how a few minutes of practice can create a solid foundation for long-term success.
Check out the next video, where I share even more valuable tips to change your life. Leave a like, subscribe, and comment on your experiences. Your participation is essential for us to grow together. And don't forget, don't let the ghosts of your mind control you.